The best protective style would be the 2-strand twist. You can still get braids, but I'll suggest without the braid in here. Just think about it. Protective styles are styles created to prevent hair damage from environmental factors such as extreme temperatures, overexposure to the sun, constant friction, over manipulation, etc. That's why we get them in the summer, right? What styles can you think of that will cause the least amount of manipulation from pulling and tugging to minimize breakage? And what products can be used to protect against overexposure to sunlight and UV rays? The products you apply to your hair has to contribute to your protective styling as well. That's why using 12 plant-based products is important, because of the natural UV sunlight protection that helps to prevent heat damage from the sun and provides moisture barrier so the hair doesn't feel brittle after taking down your natural styles. See, we be wanting hair like this, but my client doesn't do any of the hair trends suggested to retain length. I've been servicing Jazz for over a year, and she keeps her hairstyling routine extremely simple and safe. So when you're thinking about your next style, think, will this contribute to my length or cause more damage?